Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only as we were doing the chapter, the third level. So, today we just have to start from here. That is, there's probably a long tunnel that nobody knows about, feeling its way under the city right now, on its way to Times Square and maybe another to Central Park. And previously we have discussed he was wondering that कि Grand Central was increasing like a tree. Okay, now what happened he is thinking that there is a long tunnel, maybe there is a long tunnel. Okay, he wondered that ki Grand Central was expanding like just a tree, and it is not a big deal that they even have a secret tunnel under the city to the Times Square or maybe the Central Park. Okay, he feels that maybe it might be because Grand Central is a place of exit. Okay, and maybe because of so many people through the years, Grand Central has been an exit, a way of escape, a way from getting just outside. Okay, maybe that's how the tunnel I got into, maybe this is also a tunnel that I got into, that I entered into by mistake. But I never told my psychiatrist friend about that idea. But I not discussed with my friend Sam. Okay, Sam was the psychiatrist friend of Charlie. The corridor I was in began angling left and slanting downward, and I thought that was wrong. Angling, that I told you earlier also, कि like when there is the just angle like this. Okay, slanting mean to say कि like a slope. Okay, like a slope it is. And I thought that was wrong. I thought that maybe it's wrong, but I kept on walking. But I just continue my walking. All I could hear was the empty sound of my own footstep. What I was able to hear, my own footsteps only, and I did not pass a soul. Here, soul means anybody, any person. Okay, and then I heard that sort of hollow roar. Hollow roar, do you know what is the meaning of hollow roar? When you speak and the sound, it is just a gunjna type. Okay, echoing sound is there. That is. Ahead, that means open space. It means open space and people talking. The tunnel turned sharp left. Then what I said, ki tunnel just started turn. Okay, and I went down a short flight of stairs and came out on the third level at the Grand Central Station. Ki just a little bit stairs were there. When I just walked from them, then what happened? Ki I reached on the Grand Central third level station. For just a moment, I thought ki I was back on the second level. Ki just for a moment, I realized that maybe I reached on the second level, but I saw the room was smaller. कि कमरा छोटा है. There were fewer ticket windows and train gates, and even the train gates and windows were also very few. And the information booth in the center was wood and old looking, and it was just about the old looking. Ki what was there? Ki window and the other things were of old style, and the man in the booth wore a green eye shade and long black sleeve protectors. Actually, what was there? That was just about the dressing style. Ki what we just wear na, that is different from others. Okay, if anybody comes in our city or in our country with a different culture, so what we see, oh, he is wearing, what he is wearing, he is looking different, he is looking strange. And that happens to the Charlie only. The lights were dim and sort of flickering. Do you know what is the meaning of flickering? तो थोड़ी झपकती हैं like वैसे. Then I saw why they were open flame gas light, or there were कि why that was flickering, because they were open flame gas light. कि do you know what is the open flame gas light? जब लैंप होते हैं और ऊपर से अब आजकल जो ट्यूब्स वगैरह लगी होती हैं, जो भी ट्यूब्स हम लोग घर में यूज़ करें, कवर हैं, स्विचेस से हैं, और ये ओपन फ्लेम गैस लाइट्स हैं. ओके, मीन टू से नो कवरिंग इज देयर. ओके, एंड दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट द थर्ड page. Now we will discuss about the next, that is the fourth page. There were brass pittons on the floor, and even situation of the floor was also different, that was not also the same. And across the station a glint of light caught my eye. A light was there that caught my eye. A man was pulling a gold watch from his waist pocket. What he was doing, do you know what is the meaning of waist? Vest is a type of jacket, okay? And that is कि a man was just pulling out a gold watch. एक सोने की घड़ी निकाल रहा था वो आदमी. He snapped open the cover, glanced at his watch and frowned. Okay, what happened? He just opened the cover, glanced mean to say look at his watch, and was very much surprised. He wore a derby hat, and a different type of hat he was wearing. A black four-button suit with tiny lapels. That was with the tiny labor, छोटे labor, and four-button suit that was. He had a big black handlebar moustache, and like this type of moustache you have, I think you all have seen na, even ऐसे वाली टाइप की जो मूछें होती हैं, that is okay, this type of. Then I looked around and saw that everyone in the station was dressed like 1890 something. Everyone was just wearing different type of things. That was not look like us. I never saw so many beards, sideburns and fancy moustache in my life because I haven't seen these type of thing कि जैसे यहाँ साइड में बाल आए हुए होना, अलग अलग टाइप की दाढ़ी मूछें होना. Okay, a woman walked in through and train gate. A woman was there. She wore a dress with leg of mutton sleeve and skirts to the top of her high buttoned shoes. And he was wearing a different type of skirt and different type of top. And back of her out on the tracks, and everything was looking different. Everything was there different. And back of her out on the tracks, she was on the tracks. I caught a glimpses of a locomotive, very small courier and Ivy's locomotive with a funnel shaped stack. And that, wait for a minute students, just okay. And everything was just like a different, okay, like to be na, we can just say, because everything was looking very much strange and very much different. And to make sure, I walked over to a newsboy and glanced at the stack of papers at his feet. What he was having? Newspaper boy was there, so he was having the newspapers only. It was the world, and he was having the newspaper the world. The world has not been published for years. It is a very much older version, you can say. The lead story said something about President Cleveland. What he was just finding here, what he found there, he just man, the president, that was Cleveland. I have found that front page since in the public library files, and it was printed June 11 1894. Now Charlie become quite sure. I turned toward the ticket window, knowing that here on the third level at Grand Central I could buy tickets that would take Luisa and me anywhere in the United States we wanted to go. Okay, then I just got to the ticket window to purchase some tickets. And in the year 1894 he was thinking that ki in if we will just purchase the ticket, so we can go anywhere where we just want to go. And I wanted two tickets to Galesburg, Illinois. Where he was desiring to go? Galesburg, Illinois. Have you ever been there? It's a wonderful town still, and big old frame houses, huge lawns, tremendous trees whose branches meet overhead and roofs of the streets. And even there are many things like to be old houses, bade lawn, tremendous mean to say vishal vast trees whose branches meet overhead, जिनकी branches ऐसे मिल जाती हैं, okay, छतों के ऊपर घर की गलियों की. And in 1894 summer evening were twice as long, and people set out on their lawns, and even summer evening were very much time, and man smoking cigars and talking quietly, and man just doing smoking, and they were talking quietly. The women weaving palm leaf fans, and women was weaving the fans. Have you ever seen the fan that we just use? It is homemade also, with the fireflies all around in a peaceful world. To be back there with the First World War still 20 years off, and World War Second over 40 years in the future. I wanted two tickets for that. He was, because he started imagination. started imagination कि if I am here, so here is about the first world war and second world war. I am defining you also कि what is there, what he was thinking to be back there with the first world war still 20 years off. Okay, first world war is remaining and world war second over 40 years in the future, and even it will come after the 40 years. I wanted two tickets for that. Yeah, I wanted two tickets for that also. Okay, I think you all have got what I was desiring to tell you, and here in the next lecture we will do about these chapter, about the next pages. Thank you, have a nice day, and I'll share with you the glossary item also. You all are just requested to write in your notebooks. Thank you, have a nice day.